Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm doing a Hawaiian taste test of treats. I think they're treats, I'm not sure what they are, but that's what I'm doing. Didn't post a video last week, so I apologize for that. But I was sick and was in Bali, and yeah. But here I am, never fear, and I have a pair of overalls that I got from Bali as well, which I love so much at the moment. So yeah, so some of you may have saw my first ever fan mail unboxing, and I got a bunch of Hawaiian snacks, which I'm going to try now because I haven't got around to it yet, but I'm very scared because it looks like I won't like any of these, but we'll see how it goes. The lighting looks a bit orangey, doesn't it? I don't know. That's a strong smell. Are these off? Do these have an expiry date? Because I feel like it's been a while. No, we're good. Till October. Oh, something's shaking in there. Okay, that looks really creepy. What the fuck is that, dude? What is that? Oh my god, it's so salty and stuff. Oh my god. It's so much salt. I don't... Okay. Oh, it's too much. It's like stronger than licorice. That's the best way I can describe it. There's like red stuff in the middle. What is that? No, I can't do it. I need water. I could... Oh, okay, next one. Okay, this looks a little bit better, but we'll see. You guys have to remember I'm a really fussy eater as well, so I don't like much, but enjoy. It says mixed arrera. Oh, it's sticky. Yeah, they're like rice cracker things. I don't know. Oh, they are. Japanese style rice crackers. There you go. Yeah, I can eat these. These are real good. Okay. Paso ganva? Passion fruit, orange fruit, javna? I don't know. Flavored power drink mix with other natural flavor. So I need to get a cup and put some of this in. I'm actually excited for this. This must be nice. Mix 1 quart water with 1 package. I don't want to mix the whole thing, so we'll just do a little bit. I'll be back. Okay. What are... Oh my god, this smells like God. How much do I put though? I feel like the more flavor the better, so that's definitely enough. I should have got a spoon, shouldn't I? I'm just gonna use this, don't judge me, but whatever. Not like this actually, this part of my brush actually touches my hair anyway. Okay, that's not really mixing. I think I might have put too much. Let's get... It's not bad, but it also is like pretty like light sort of taste, so I'm gonna add more. Just because more flavor the better, right? Oh, all the smoke. Or dust. Or sand. What do you even call that? That's better. That's a lot better. Like, I'm not sure I've exactly used that much, but... yeah, I like this. I've also got 3 other ones, but I don't want to open them all at the same time because this is probably something that I'll drink. So next one I have lahing powder. Plum powder, okay. I think that you put this on fruit, but I'm not exactly sure. So I got an apple here. Okay, I don't know if this is right. Is this gonna, oh my god, I'm scared. How much of this do I put? What? It smells, it's like something, but I'm not sure what. That looks like real gross. Ugh! That tastes like Play-Doh. That's the closest thing I can, except Play-Doh's better. No, no. Last thing I have is hurricane popcorn, mochi crush and nori. What the hell is this? What the fuck is this? What? 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 Oh, did you put it in here? Did you put your popcorn in here? Are you serious? That is the smartest thing I have ever seen in the world. Why don't our popcorn bags come with a popcorn bag? But anyway, to the popcorn. I have no idea what's in here. This big bag boy. This big bag boy, guys. Big bag boy. I hope this is what it's for, because this is really exciting to me. I've never seen anything like this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why is this saucy? I'm scared. Okay. Let's open this first. This might be the worst thing I've ever tasted or the best thing. I don't want to waste the popcorn in case I don't like it. So, I'm going to take some popcorn, put it back in here. Just because, you know, popcorn is popcorn, right? Still tastes the same, I guess. Let me... Yeah, very no salt at all. Okay. Oh my god, I'm scared. Okay, this is what I have. It looks like spinach. What is this? It's yellow. What? Is this butter? If this is butter, then... Oh yeah, all of it. Yep, I completely missed the popcorn, guys. So, we got this. I have that. That has no taste at all. What is that? Actually, yeah, it tastes like butter now. Okay, this doesn't look very appetizing, but that's what we have. I probably pull the same face every time I don't know if I like it or not. Like, maybe it's just popcorn. Okay, what are these? It scares me a little. What is that? No. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Sorry that I didn't like any of it, Jazzy. Besides the drink, that was okay. And the popcorn by itself. And the rice crackers as well, they were pretty good. For those who don't know as well, I also do live streaming on Twitch, so give it a thumbs up. Give it a follow on my Twitch channel if you would like to see some COD gameplay. Probably gonna get the Division soon when I get paid, but that won't be for another week. scam. But anyway, and I'll see you next time.